Okay, as promised, here it is. Again, we go from grams to kilograms. That means move the position left 3, that decimal left 3 places, and that's what it shows you right there. So let's look at the next one. I'm going to move from grams to milligrams. So here's grams. To go to milligrams, I need to move the decimal right 3 places. So take the number 4.23. Let's move that decimal right 3 places. That'd be 1, 2, 3 places. I'd have to add a 0. And now that would be in terms of milligrams. Moving that right 3 places is 4,230 milligrams. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Again, we want to convert 42.3 milligrams to grams. It looks like we're going the other direction now. I'll use a different color. So milligrams to grams, starting with milligrams, going to grams, I need to move the decimal left 3 places. So one thing I could do is divide by 1,000, or I could take 42.3 and then literally just physically move that decimal left 1, 2, 3 places, adding a 0 in, and this is now in terms of grams. So I'm getting 0.0423 grams. All right. So, again, distance, length is meters. Mass, or in this case, weight on Earth, is in grams. What about capacity? Now, this is where we are awful. This is where we have fluid ounces, which is different than an ounce. An ounce is weight, fluid ounces is capacity. So we have fluid ounces, we have cups, pints, quarts, gallons, all with different numbers, right? Horrible numbers. What do they have? The only thing that they have is a liter, okay? So it says the basic unit of capacity in the metric system is a liter. 1 liter is defined of the capacity of a box. It's a square box that is 10 centimeters long on each side. So measure one that's 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Fill that up with water. That is exactly 1 liter by definition. Okay? Where did gallon come from? I have no idea. Google it, but I don't like it. All right? So liters is what the rest of the world uses. And in fact, most of your soft drinks, most of your drinks that you use are measured in terms of liters. The sizes that they come out with, usually the sizes are based off of the liter content. Like one of them that you'll see is a 750 ml. That's 750 milliliters, and that's one of the popular sizes of soft drinks. Or you can get a 2-liter bottle, right? So a lot of our measurements still come to liter systems because they are imported. So it says units of capacity of the metric system. Again, it's going to be the exact same saying, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, except now it's with L's. So it's kiloliter, hectoliter, it's a decaliter. That's King Henry died by, the base unit is a liter. Then you have drinking, which is a deciliter. Chocolate, which is a centiliter. Milk, which is a milliliter. Okay? All of these should be L's, by the way. Okay, so let's look at this right here. If 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters makes a liter, notice there's 10 times 10, which is 100, times 10, which is 1,000 little small centimeter by centimeter cubes. So if it's 1,000th of a liter, that would be called a milliliter. So 1 cubic centimeter, a cm by a cm by a cm, is also called a milliliter. So where have I seen this before? I've seen this in like nursing programs on TV where they're like, give me 5 cc's stat. What they're saying when they say 5 cc's is 5 cubic centimeters. What is 5 cubic centimeters? 5 cubic centimeters is 5 milliliters. So a milliliter is a cubic centimeter. They're the exact same thing. So they're generally abbreviated cc.